Hi guys! In this video I want to talk about the core of the hospitality industry, which of course is customer service or just service. Basically the hospitality industry can be broken down into various different segments, different ways. If you do a Google search for segments of the hospitality industry, you'll get a ton of different variations of how they break it down. The textbook offers an umbrella of 5 different sectors on page 15. However, the chart on page 16 shows it's not quite so simple, and certain parts of the industry might fit into more than one category. For example, a cruise ship. They offer lodging, travel, food, beverage, recreation, activities, all kinds of things to their passengers, so they don't really fit into one chunk of the industry. In addition, a specific company might fit into more than one of these categories. An example would be Disney, who owns restaurants, hotels, sports parks, concert venues, cruise ships, you name it. So the bottom line that nothing in this industry fits into a box. That also applies to our customers, right? They're the most important thing. So customers are critical to the industry. Without customers, you have no hospitality industry, right? So if the only thing you take away from this course is that know that there would be no hospitality industry without the customers, and therefore the customers are the most important thing, and we must consider them in everything that we do and every decision we make. So think about the restaurants you love to visit. We're going to talk in our discussion this week about your favorite restaurants. Think about those restaurants. Do they have a guest first mentality? So, do you feel warm and welcome when you go there? Do you feel taken care of? Do you feel like the employees, take care of your needs and want you to be there? Very few restaurants have food that is so good that if they have bad service, you would still go back, right? Most of the time, if you have a bad service experience, even if the food's really good, you're not going to go back to a restaurant, right? So every moment of a guest interaction in the hospitality industry is called a moment of truth. And it's sort of an opportunity to either win them over and keep them as a guest, or damage the relationship and lose them as a guest in these moments of truth. So I'm going to do a separate video to go into more detail on moments of truth.